The Milky Way seems to have become an invisible embrace encircling humanity. Exploring the universe, conquering the stars, and reaching the vast oceans have always been humanity's noble aspirations. After thousands of years of evolution, humanity has risen to the top of Earth's food chain. Humans are increasingly eager to explore the vast universe. To explore the universe and distant stars further, humanity yearns to venture beyond the Milky Way, advancing into the vast expanse of the cosmos. Will humans ever be able to fly beyond the Milky Way and explore the vast universe within their lifetime? Every time I look up at the stars, my heart yearns to break free from this small solar system and reach out to explore the vast universe. American astronomers recently conducted a simulation experiment to calculate the time required for a spacecraft traveling at superluminal speed to escape the Milky Way galaxy. The vast Milky Way is like an invisible embrace, holding us captive within. Even if humanity spent an entire lifetime trying to break free, we could never escape its reach. According to the latest observational data, the total diameter of the Milky Way could reach up to 150,000 light-years, while the solar system is located relatively close to the edge of this galaxy. Therefore, based on the current scale of the Milky Way, even if we were to use a means of transportation at the speed of light, after flying to the edge of the solar system, we would still need to travel another 40,000 light-years to truly escape the Milky Way. This number is truly disheartening, and no matter how hard we try, it seems we can hardly escape this immense vortex. Voyager 1 is one of humanity's pioneering spacecraft in the journey of space exploration, currently holding the position as one of the farthest probes from Earth. In reality, humans leaving the Milky Way is not an impossible feat, but to achieve this goal, we must overcome the challenge of gravity and significantly increase speed to escape the gravitational pull of celestial bodies. With current technological capabilities, humans can now leave Earth by achieving escape velocity, the minimum speed required to break free from the planet's gravitational pull. Cosmic velocity can be divided into multiple levels. Typically, the first speed achieved by an aircraft is the first cosmic velocity, the minimum speed required to maintain an orbit around Earth. Satellite and spacecraft launch rockets can reach the second cosmic velocity, enabling them to escape Earth's gravitational pull and travel into farther orbits. According to calculations and practical experience, in order to leave Earth and escape its gravitational pull, a spacecraft must reach the second cosmic velocity. However, the speed of light is the fastest known limit in the universe, traveling at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, also referred to as the sixth cosmic velocity. On the other hand, the Voyager 1 spacecraft has now reached third cosmic velocity. If it continues on its planned trajectory, it could achieve the goal of escaping the solar system. However, this speed is still too low to escape the Milky Way's gravitational pull. To escape the gravitational pull of massive objects, we must reach a higher cosmic velocity. According to estimates, the solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way at a speed of about 230 kilometers per second, while the escape velocity from the Milky Way reaches 537 kilometers per second. To completely escape the Milky Way and overcome its gravitational pull, scientists have introduced the concept of the fourth cosmic velocity. They believe that objects must reach at least the fourth cosmic velocity to escape the Milky Way galaxy. This means the spacecraft must reach a minimum speed of 317 kilometers per second. Take the Parker Solar Probe, the fastest spacecraft today, as an example. Its speed has reached an astonishing 200 kilometers per second. S third cosmic velocity, it still falls far short of what? Beyond speed, humanity also faces many immense challenges. Compared to the dizzying speed of celestial bodies in the universe, humanity's fleeting lifespan of mere decades makes time the greatest barrier preventing us from reaching beyond our galaxy. Take the Parker Solar Probe, currently the fastest spacecraft, as an example. It would take about 1,500 years to travel a distance of 1 light-year in space. According to this calculation, if the universe remains in its current state, humans would need nearly 7,000 years to reach the closest star system to us. However, in reality, the majority of galaxies in the universe exhibit redshift at varying speeds, indicating that the distance between them and us is continuously expanding. This change happens faster than the speed of light, so in reality, it will take you even longer to achieve the desired result. Considering our goal is to leave the Milky Way, if we travel at the speed of light from the solar system, it would take us approximately 40,000 years to reach the destination. In other words, even if we reach the speed of light, the sixth level on the cosmic speed scale, it would still take us 40,000 years to escape the Milky Way. Even though the Parker Solar Probe was fortunate not to be torn apart by the gravitational forces of the planets as it flew by, it would still take hundreds of thousands of years to escape the galaxy. By that point, humanity still did not know whether humans truly existed or not. Although some scientists have hypothesized about faster than light speed, it must be acknowledged that this remains an extremely complex and challenging issue. According to their research simulation, if we achieve a speed of 2,083 times the speed of light, it would take only 10 seconds to reach the Kuiper Belt and just over 10 hours to reach the star located 4.2 light-years from Earth. However, at the current speed, it would take at least 96 more years for us to fly out of the Milky Way. Although the time has been significantly shortened compared to tens of thousands of years ago, that number still remains nearly beyond the reach of a human lifetime. In other words, no matter how advanced technology becomes, leaving the galaxy remains an impossible task within a single generation. Mystery_Core compiles and reports from the source koahc.tv.